You're one of a kind. Your style, your vibe, your hair. Why settle for ordinary? Experience the difference with Unique FUE Hair Transplant. What is Unique FUE? A breakthrough innovation from Hermest Hair Clinic, engineered with German precision to set a new standard in hair restoration. Unique FUE uses ultrafine blades guided by Dr. and his expert team, delivering precision with every graft. Why Unique FUE? 99%. Hair permanence, barely their scars, faster recovery, and natural-looking results. Sapphire FUE versus Unique FUE. Experience the difference with Unique FUE Hair Transplant. Get a free consultation and reach out today for detailed information.